wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I am telling you my thoughts on the new Milk primer. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, now yes, y'all technically saw me use this primer, but now I've had a chance to use it the first time, then use it like other ways, just incorporating it how I normally wear my makeup. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do my face, and then I'm gonna tell you my thoughts on this primer. So this is the new Cloud Glow Priming Foam with Brightening Turmeric. This retails for $28 for 27 milliliters. It says a skincare packed priming foam that visibly brightens and hydrates to bring out your skin's natural glow and create a smooth base for makeup. So if you saw the video where I tested out, where I tested out my Sephora haul, then you saw it comes out like a foam type consistency. And it's definitely a weird or a new experience for me. Y'all know I'm a very big texture person. I have a thing on how things feel to the touch of my fingers on my face. So definitely, you know, take some getting used to using this. It literally comes out like foam and it's slip sliding all over your face. So this is what I'm going to use as primer today. And the sound outside keeps throwing me off. I keep losing my train of thought. I don't remember what I was going to say. But y'all already know. Of course, I had to experiment on how this worked with the Danessa primer. So I'm actually gonna put that on first. Good old Danessa in the universal shade. And just throw that on. I feel like I'm so close to the camera today. I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna go ahead, blend that out. Ooh. Now for the Milk primer, I am still trying to figure out the best way to actually get it on my face. You see that? You see how it's also slip sliding? So it's like, you gotta work quick. Try to do my face in sections. You gotta, come on, yeah, you can't hear the snap sound, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Ooh. Okay, gotta make sure I don't get in my eye. And just a little bit on my forehead. So that is it on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole face. So that is it for my face today. And it's just the way makeup sits on this combination. So you've seen me actually wear the Milk primer with the Danessa a couple times in my last few videos. Like I said, I've been playing around with this just see if I like it, because I have been using the two Danessa primers, the, of course, Yummy Skin, and then the, what is it, water serum? The one that's like powder to water to powder. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I was using those two, but then I tried the Milk makeup in combination with Danessa the Balm, and it's the bomb. Now, when the products not only look good, like when you're visually looking at it, but also wear well, baby, can't. It's going to be the combination moving forward, okay? I don't know what it is about that combination, but it just fills in any pores that I might have, just kind of, you know, smooths everything over so that it looks like a nice canvas for you to paint on. But also, like I said, how it wears, because I do have oily skin. We are getting into warmer weather. In my T-zone area, literally, I don't believe it claims to mattify. I don't remember that, but it does, okay? Because it wears well throughout the day. And it gives that, you know, your skin but better. But I also feel, and it might be the makeup products that I have on as well today, but I also feel like today she's giving a little more full coverage than Shanique gives, because y'all know, you know, I'm somewhere in between full coverage and medium coverage. I'm like in between there. Yeah, I don't know if it's because I have the NARS foundation on. I feel like it's also looking just a little bit more fuller for me. But I'm all the way here for this combination. Do I think it works fine as a primer alone? Yes, I do. I just think, you know, Danessa gives everything just a little extra oomph that you need. But you can certainly wear this on its own. Same way when I was doing the video on the Anastasia, since I've had the chance to wear it different ways, how I feel it works best. Would this work best as a primer on its own? Yes, sure. But you can never go wrong with adding a little extra something. You know, it also just depends on how makeup works for you. So for me, it works best for me with that combination, but I have worn it on its own. You have seen it on its own. It still wears well throughout the day on its own in combination with everything else. But also remember that I'm wearing the one size setting spray. I also use the Juvia's Place setting spray as like an in-between spray. I don't think that claims to be a mattifying primer, setting spray, but I do think that it's supposed to be like a blending everything together type setting spray. Don't quote me on that. I am gonna do a video doing a full face because you guys want to see that. But like when I do wear the Milk makeup by itself, keep in mind that I am also wearing it with those type of setting sprays. You know, I'm wearing the Huda powder, all of that in combination. You just got to find in combination what all works for you. But this primer, absolutely positively. Now my thoughts on this compared to Hydro Grip. Now keep in mind, I've only had this for like 3 weeks, actually maybe a month at this point. And Hydro Grip I used for literally years. So right now, I feel like I would probably still go with Hydro Grip, but this is fresh. You know, it's like, think fresh newborn. It actually is a new product, so it probably is a newborn. But that could change in the future. But for right now, I would probably I always hear noises, and you're like, I'm the only person here. Where is that noise? But for right now, I would still go with Hydro Grip. But this primer, if you're thinking of checking it out, absolutely positively, I hope y'all added that to your Sephora cart. You know, it's the day after. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope seeing me will give you guys an update and tell you guys how I best wear this product. Helps anything checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.